If you're looking for an easy and inexpensive way to teach coding or get into programming electronics, then the Crumble board made by Redfern Electronics is an excellent starting point. The Crumble is a cheap, easy to use single board computer capable of controlling basic electrical and electronic components like motors, LEDs, buzzers and a whole load more. Using crocodile or alligator clips to connect the components to terminals on the Crumble board is quick and easy and allows you to get started with very little in the way of experience or components. If you're a teacher, you can simply raid your school's science cupboard's electrical boxes or pop on eBay to quickly and cheaply kit yourself out. All the standard components like bulbs, motors, buzzers and switches work with the Crumble and can be used to create some really cool projects in very little time. The board itself allows you to connect up to 2 motors as well as 4 other components at any one time, allowing you a huge amount of scope for what you can include in your projects. This could mean controlling a 2-wheel car with lights or a buzzer with an ultrasonic distance sensor. The great thing is this is also way easier than it may sound. The Crumble programming environment itself is both free and super easy to use. Snap together blocks from the menus on the left like jigsaw pieces to create programs. Change values by clicking on numbers and variables and rearrange them as much as you like until you're happy with the program you've pieced together. Once you're done, simply connect your Crumble board to your computer and hit the upload button. Within a few seconds you'll be able to see your program in action. Watch the motors turn, the LEDs or lamps flash or buzzers beep away with the satisfaction of knowing it was your code that's controlling these components. Add a battery pack or a USB power bank to make your project portable. You can even power your projects from a USB mains plug like a smartphone or tablet charger if you want them to run more permanently. Cost-wise, at £12 for the board on its own, bulk discounts are available for buying a set of 15 or more, or around £25 for the starter kit, which I'd really recommend as a good starting point. It's a great way to get out into the world of coding, or fulfill the requirements of your computing curriculum, injecting that exciting hands-on buzz to every session. Here on the channel I'm starting a new video series showing what you can do with a Crumble, a handful of electrical or electronic components and a little bit of imagination. We'll explore big ideas in coding, useful tips and tricks, and how you can create quite complex programs with the right mindset and good habits to get into when planning and writing your programs. Click on the cards above to check out the playlist and drop me a comment to let me know what you'd like to see covered in this series and what projects you'd like to see made. If you want to buy a Crumble, check out the link in the description below. For now though, thanks for stopping by and I'll see you in the next video.